Okay, so in the last video, I showed you how to do what we would call an eccentric lateral gastroc contraction. You're starting with the heel up and you're controlling the descent. So you're going from a shortened muscle position to a long muscle position. Now, let's say you just did that. You did 3 sets of 12. Now we're going to use the rolling pin to massage the same area. And what you're going to do, you can keep it covered or not, doesn't matter, but I want you to see. So if the pain is coming into this area with the rolling pin, I like a reverse grip, so I like to have my palms facing forward. I just have better leverage like this. And what I'm gonna do is I'm pulling into the tissue and just massaging through that area. Now you might get a little bit of kind of a nerve irritation if you come up around that fibular head. If you remember, we talked about the peroneal nerve being in that area and going down the side of the leg. So if you feel a nerve kind of discomfort, just don't apply as much pressure. Focus on the meatier parts of the muscle, but you want to try and come around on the side, on the back. I like to have the foot placed and relaxed comfortably on the floor while I'm massaging through this. I can massage up into the hamstring, so the lateral hamstring, if that's a little bit irritated too sometimes, I can pull into it. Now when I'm working this area, I do a mixed grip. One hand down, one hand up, because I get better leverage this way. For some people who might watch this video, you might even just lift up the leg and kind of move the leg without moving the rolling pin. So the rolling pin is stationary and I'm moving my leg back and forth over the rolling pin. But this is primarily for that muscle pain, that soreness that's being experienced out here, lateral head of the gastroc, up high into the back of the knee.